Hey, Kionte, I got your email about wondering which assignments you needed to work on. So once you pull up your my Math Lab account, Math 154, what you'll do at that point is you'll click on Assignments over on the left-hand side of your screen. And once your assignments load, you'll see they're listed in order. The blue circles are the homework assignments. Those are not part of your grade. But if you want to do those, they'll certainly help you. The introduction, the media has like videos, and it has like PowerPoints and things of that nature that you could do. And then the homework, and it's just listed in order here. So you can do the blue circle assignments if you want to. They're a homework. They will help you on your quizzes and your tests, but they are not part of your grade. When you see an assignment that's got a gold square, that's a quiz that you have to take. The quizzes are 25% of your grade, your final grade, and the tests are 50% of your grade, and then your final exam is 20% of your final grade. So you need to do all of these assignments that have the gold square. Those are your quizzes, starting with 1A, and you'll come down 1B, 1C, 1D, and then you have a test review, which will get you ready for your first test. Now, your first test, if you haven't already taken it, has a green diamond. So anything with a green diamond beside it is a test, and it has to be done. Okay, and then, you only get one attempt at your tests, but you get infinitely many attempts on your quizzes. So you just need to just scroll down, and then you can start Unit 2A quiz, 2B, 2C, 2D, then there's your test 2, okay? And then you've got Unit 3, 3A, 3B, 3C, and then you've got your test 3, financial literacy, okay? And then you've got 4A, 4B, 4C, and then the Unit 4 test, okay? And all of those are due by May 4th at midnight. Now, the last two assignments here, that's your final exam review. That's due on May 7th by midnight, and that assignment will get you ready for your final exam, which is it's showing up as a green diamond here because it's a test or an exam. So this will be your final exam, and it's due May 7th. I hope this helps you. Let me know if you have more questions. Thanks.